Hello everyone, I'm back on my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while and I haven't filmed anything for a year or perhaps a couple of months, I'm not sure. But I'm back and you can expect one video per week. They are going to be in English and in Serbian. Why? Sometimes it's very hard to explain some words in English. I can do that, but perhaps you're going to have a bit vague idea what I'm trying to tell you. Also, sometimes if we speak about some economy, about contracts, about something which is really specific, you would also like to have a precise translation to Serbian and vice versa. So we're going to cover both. You can expect different topics from business, from everyday English situations, of course some ambiguities and interesting, curious things in the English language. And of course, I'm always open to your suggestions. So please write in the comments or LinkedIn or wherever you can find me. It could be also my email. What kind of topics would you like to see on my YouTube channel? So our first topic perhaps is grammatical, but I would not agree 100% grammatical. We are going to speak about how to agree in English using so do I, so am I, me too. I guess that one of the first things that we learn in the English language is me too. Of course. I love this pizza, me too. But can I also say so am I or so do I? Something which is learned a bit later, and I believe that a lot of people are not sure when to say me too, when to say so do I or so am I. Well, first things first, you can always say me too, but for example, let's say you want to agree a couple of times. There are also other phrases which you're going to use. I see what you mean, I can see in what direction you're going, we have the same idea, we share the same opinion, etc. But if you really want to say so do I, so am I, how can we use it? Typically, we are going to use so do I, so am I, in case that we have a bit longer sentence, if we are in a formal situation, and of course, if I notice that I have already used me too, I really want to change it. And perhaps I don't want to say exactly, I really want to say so am I, so do I. Okay, so when to use to be in this sentence construction and when to use to do. Okay, so if for example I say I'm tired, I can agree with this person and say so am I. But someone could say I'm going to a party, so am I. But I can also say I will be there on time, so will I. So I use the same auxiliary verb that I have in the first sentence. So I will come to a party, so will I. So it's the same auxiliary verb. I'm there on time, so am I. I finish everything on time, so do I. Why? Because finish is in present simple. It needs to go with to do, right? You cannot go with to be. To be only goes with expressions that go specifically with to be in the present simple. So basically we use auxiliary verb that we can find in the first affirmative or questional sentence and we answer in that manner. So let's try it once again. I do everything, so do I. And of course, I can change a person, right? So it could be so does she, for example. Or we are happy, so is she. So of course I can use all pronouns that exist in English language, including I, you, it, she, he, we, you, they, if I want really to implement it. So that's okay. In case that I want to say that I also not coming to a party, for example, I could say neither do I. I don't come to a party, neither do I. I'm not coming to a party, neither am I. Shorter version would be neither me. It's the same as me too. So this is a way how we can use all these phrases in English language. There are more constructions than phrases, but a lot of people find them to be phrases because they could be a bit confusing because we have inversion, so am I, so do I, so we have auxiliary verb which comes before the subject. But I think it's easy, so always notice what is the auxiliary verb. Be sure to really answer efficiently and quickly. So if you're going to think so do I, so am I, so is she, so are we, just say we are also coming. you can always answer like that until you master these perhaps new phrases to you. I hope that this video was useful. You can find all this lesson in the form of a blog on my website, and also you can download a really short, we could say, worksheet with notes and a tiny exercise at the end, so you can practice that out. Hopefully you're going to see each other in next video. Stay tuned and see you next week or even sooner. Bye bye.